Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all. You like me?
Why Oh,
My baba,
Let's go. That's all. Yes. Hey, normally your man go there. Your man go there. See,
yes, sir.
It's all about JJ Barry conglomerate.
My man go there.
And Anthony Mose.
That's it.
See, normally your man go there. See, we're not here for joke. We're not here to tell law. We are not here to backman. See, right now, right about now, is about to happen tomorrow. See, we're not here to just dance. Epa is here left and direct. See, Epa, let me say Epa they come, Epa don't come, Epa they hear you sing. Oleti is here. And golden voice accept she's here. You know, so I don't feel introduce her again. Esther Dombraye. If I won't talk to that one now, lady or song, she's here. Right about now. She's Epa here. A power tell now. A part time one no here.
Yeah.
Celebrate me. Now and they alive. Celebrate me. Now and they alive. Okay, more like that. Don't say they can't say a part city alive now. It's all about celebration of legend. You understand? Birmingham, get ready. We're coming tomorrow. We have.
See. Please, I'm sorry. Let me say this before you continue. We're supposed to leave to Birmingham this evening. We're supposed to leave for Birmingham, but because of one or two things we were trying to put in place, we were not able to leave tonight. Tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, we'll be with you guys tomorrow. Yeah. If you want to receive us in your place before the show, yes, please. Give me a call. Say I want to make Baba come to my house before the show. I want make una come my house. Make I first flex una first before the show starts. Because we'll be coming very early tomorrow morning. We won't come use body rub una first before the show starts. If you know God touch your heart, say I want to make Baba come flex for my house before the show starts. Just write me. My WhatsApp number na pure water. It's everywhere. Contact me. We'll there with you.
Mama, the English too many. Nani pologbe, how they say do Atana. If you do ni Mose, if you do ni Kwere, if you do ni Sipo, if you do we palash, wala owo. A show now, or legends no. A show now, or old school and new school. We have the strength. Oleti
not be power line.
Oleti no be power line. Now God the runner. So now the matter. So the legend is here. Is alive. So we need to celebrate our legend, Dr. Dombraye Arama. Yeah. So please, right now, don't go anywhere. Please help us to share. You understand? Share. Invite people to come online right now to hook up. You know why? Tomorrow is going to be bombed in. Tomorrow we're starting from Birmingham City, Waverton City. Get ready. It's back with all. Go and get your ticket. We have table. You know what we do? Lao the yaye do at all. Gimayo gogo. Ni maye ku now do ya embrace Baba. Dance with him. When you read Baba na didn't win so I didn't win
just one night for Baba is going to give you blessing of the whole year. Sacrifice one night for Baba, and throughout the end of this year, you're going to be blessed.
Yes.
Only one night. You yourself will surprise me. Even me, Yama, or what shocking me, the way me change. Yes. It's because of that one night that you sacrifice for our living legend.
Yes.
It's a word.
Wakabe wear, and why you wear, and Maya. Okay, can you celebrate the legend, Nori? When it's nowhere. Oh, Baba, I know that here. See, we're not playing with DJ. It's full set.
Full set. We'll play with DJ. We'll play with set. Both.
Full set. DJ River. Full band. Yeah. You're gonna hear good sound, good vibe, good music because Oleti is ready. Lady of Song is there. Yeah. So like a notable. It is good to celebrate our people. Okay, can man to be man celebrate in and real life now. Yeah. All the way from Asian City. On that person about you're not there with the queen ye. On that with queen on that. So a love, any love, ni ma offer, ni Maria ni Baba. That's the same love. Baba be the one where yes, the diaspora wana gre wana, wama ye kwemuya.
Please,
I want to assure you that your ticket, your table will be well reserved. Go and book your ticket, buy a table. Tomorrow is for Birmingham. On Sunday is for Glasgow, Scotland. So Glasgow, go and get your ticket right now. We're coming through. Dr. Dombraye is coming through. Esther is coming through. Oleti is coming through. Oflex is coming through. We are all coming through. Go and get your ticket. On the 17th
of the show.
On the 17th, that is Upper Sunday, is Manchester. Manchester, go and ready and chest this show. I know so Manchester. So get ready. Go and get your ticket. Go and get on the 23rd of this same month, October. We're coming down to London, get ready, go and get your ticket. So, Baba, on a lighter note, Baba Tamiya, we went here, we back where all the gifts we have here back where.
They back where?
My gallery.
Baba not fresh anyhow.
Baba,
let me entertain them.
Yes, sir.
Just help me a little song. Yeah, we know that the memories that you never been.
Where you are born. Simple message. Where you are born. Where you are born. Where you are born.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Where you are born.
Let's go.
Where you are born.
It's a clear message. Baba, where you are born.
Where you are born. Mama, where you are born.
Yes, so tomorrow go and get your tickets. Birmingham City, Wolverton. Go and get your ticket. Come and show Baba love.
Load the beat. Yes, let's not forget, we must appreciate all the live video presenters that are, being kind. They are too kind. They have been promoting this show. Hey, Mama Rita, Ayebe TV, Iyenoge, I twirl for you, I domo you. My queen, yes, the golden fish with Lolo, I twirl for you. All the social media live video presenters from Edo State, Wahia Wadomo, I greet all of you now. I respect all of you now for the love on our show. Since this whole thing of a show started in UK, all the love on our show, right from the beginning till this very moment, may God bless you all. You shall not lack. Emi wari yo boy no ma yan gba nu wa. Wa ga ti opa oge ko ni. Wa ga gwali yo bobo sa lo boa. O ki an gari e nu wa. Thanks to all of you that have mentioned and the ones that have not mentioned. We appreciate you all. Makakabo appreciate me and Mama Joy. Mama Joy. Mama Joy. USAJ. Thanks for promoting the show. In fact, we're going to sit down and mention all of your names. But don't with him my phone and Bameo. Ada ife ya mugboen. Waya wesele. Wemo wa show da rima. Wa show da mane iwa. Sometimes no fiam waya fefefe. Etena kwegi no ye to enu so money re benia. Etena kwegi no. Wala owo. Erima mutiana. Chief Doctor Dombraye Agama. Imaye gege bike ni ware ti meye kere. So Obiara no mutiana have put joy in me because era me happy one again ni. Ime wa gbe yo won le me ma kere no. I believe we're the same thing with you all. No ere won le. E ma me ro ma ka be no hi won ge beti yan ma ho now yan ho now. Okay. You want ni ma ho na baba na swear. One day will not be a hindrance to you. Osanu Dazi, a dog pali no ya muni, where you only get to we baba na bobu yoge. o salo ba hian o hian ya hin gie nu e o bless e nu igba 100 e deni igo nu what me e debi o salo boa o double e nu because of the love you have in your heart. God will surprise you. Wala wo go be Birmingham, if you Glasgow, if you Manchester, if you London, wala wo wa geri mana yogo wo ya ari yogo. O le so wa ya ari erungi wa. When you na je e UK, if you do ni ro UK, ni amaye wo muye. Wala wo. Nendo fi we iwona ya ni wa so kele ni ajoye e manibuma we meme. Wagima show a love. Our marude Mariema, I do one with you. I do my rude money, they cannot make me come when without dinner. At least while you do Baba, while you are there. I am near where I can lower your lower. I mean, what do I so while I will go at the Nakwe, if you bear me out, who my day ticket, the poster or a Facebook, one year Facebook, we're taking on the 2 streets in the Facebook, one year the poster at the Nakwe. A no ban or a poster me when no day ticket. Uti e number ni. Ti e number ni wa ni the address ba ni do my be te na ku e. Wo ga wa re una se gate wa ye ni ticket be there. Salo ba no fi go have we had the boy yo. Say no ma, no wa yi wa we say wo ba.
Yes. Birmingham. Yeah, do no woman. Why lao? Why afe wala dia? Wa de ticket. No wa me na we yo bono keke le me. Sa bo no la no fi agbe ku wa ko wa fi boy na we yo boni e di o. E di bo. Afi agbe no keke o agu wa. E di o be aye ni ma ya fe ki ma na de be ana ma. Mama de ma be do we no keke.
Yes, my people, I bet Mona come and go buy ticket. Birmingham, I bet Mona buy ticket. Tomorrow we dey come. And not be only Birmingham. If you dey London, go buy your ticket down. If you dey Manchester, buy your ticket down. We are coming. Glasgow, we are coming. Please go and get your ticket. You understand? Wala wo. Wale boy my yeke, why you go ya mama? Wala dian, why to show you my love? I dey wa me every attack can work any na re. Na the UK. They love you wa show him ma. Ya attack ya. But so ya we so what's up? If ya pin wa. If we UK. Why after wa we see appreciate wa we wan wa. Maybe why ya the ku by my yeke. Why I prefer to allow why you go ya mama. Allow why we see o.
Many gata see my case when my dad will live video na ba. Ma re se be mi aro bi mama o le ma do ha we. E boy yan gide. O ta na ke ni ma te are be mi an. O bi na ko ma re se be mi an. Well would it just call me. See where lady of song you know e baba adio wa ra ku e kware. Let's come to your house. Oh, when my macho or where a blessing of one. For these 3 great people to come into your house, it's a great blessing for you. And the warning for the rest of this year. So we will be happy to be with you guys. God bless you all. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow, Birmingham.
See you tomorrow.
Where you? Please keep sharing this video. Help us to share this video.
Share this video.
Love you guys.
Share this video. Love you. All right.